the part number 12. So that is we need to create this which is this part number 12, which is swivel screw pin. Swivel screw pin FE410W. So to do that, first we'll go to order, disable the base icon and go to base reference planes. You just click on this. So go to home, click on sketch. So click on coincident plane as the front plane and then go to project to sketch. So click on OK, select these two, and then from here you take this dimension which is 38. So 38, first of this diameter which is 30, 38, 30. So go to offset, take the distance as 38. So from here you take the vertical distance of 38 and then 30 means 15. So from here you take 15 and again you have a depth of 6. So you take the depth of 6. So then come down to this. So go to trim corner between these two, Then again you come down to this of diameter 22 to 12. So go to offset, take the distance as 11. So from here you take 11 and then from here it is 12. So to do that, so go to offset, take the distance as 12 and then come down to trim corner between this line and this line and between these two. Then there is a gap of 3 mm and you reduce that by 1 mm. This is 22, 1 mm, 20. So you just reduce by 2 mm. So that you are going to get offset. Offset, take the distance as 3 and then from here you take this distance as 3 and then from here you take the distance as 2 and you just go to trim corner between these two. Then zoom area. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line. Then again go to offset, take the distance as 10. So from here you take this and then go to trim corner between these two and then again zoom area. Then go to trim corner between this and this. So go to fit, then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Once you create this profile, now the entire profile has been created. Go to close sketch. So then click on home, click on revolve protrusion, select from sketch, accept this, select this axis and revolve it through 360 degrees. So once you get this, now you just click on finish, then come down to fit. So again you just go to home, click on thread, that is thread, click on OK, click on the cylinder for thread. You just click on this, click on the end of the cylinder from thread will be offset M20 and go to finish. So you're going to get the thread. So the next option, the next operation what we need to do, we need to create a slot of 2.5 to a depth of 3.5 for the introduction of the screwdriver. So to do that, you just go to home, click on sketch. So click on this. So you can take it any orientation or you can take it straight. So go to project to sketch and say OK. You select on this and also you select on this circumference. Then go to offset, take the distance as 2.5, that slot 2.5 to a depth of 3.5. So to do that, go to offset, take 2.5 means 1.25 on either side. Sorry, from here you accept on this side and also on this side and then go to select this center line and delete it and then go to trim. So trim these two, trim it on these two sides and go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this, similarly from this side and also from this side, from these two sides, and go to close sketch and go to home, click on cut. So click on this, accept and give it 3.5 and say cut it on this. Then go to finish. Then go to home, click on information, go to material table and select FE14W and apply to model. Then go to application button, go to information, go to file properties, go to summary. So swivel screw pin. So here type swivel screw pin and say OK, and then go to save. Click on part number 12, swivel screw pin, and save it. So this is how you will be able to create this model. Dynamically we can see how it has been created. So now I will just again go to save and go to save and